Hello and namaste. After exploring the equation mode, we'll be going ahead with the matrix mode. So after putting this button on, this is the button which I have pressed it here. That is a mode button. After pressing a mode button, this is already we have done. We have to go for the equation mode. Sorry, matrix mode. So matrix mode, for that it is of 6 number. So press 6 here. After pressing 6, it will ask me matrix, whether I need the 1 matrix A, 2 matrix B or 3 matrix C. That means what, at a time we can have we can have A, B and C operations simultaneously. So suppose for example I'm going and saving this particular matrix A, whatever is been given to you here in the matrix A. So I'm pressing 1. So after pressing it 1, it is asking me what is the dimension of that particular. So how many number of rows and how many number of columns are there. So if you'll observe in this particular example, I have purposely taken 3 cross 3. So it is easy for you to just go and explore the other options. So under these dimensions options, we have got 3 cross 3, 3 cross 2, 3 cross 1, 2 cross 3, 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 1. Now if you'll observe here, there is one small arrow. The meaning is here, there are few more dimensions available, that is 1 cross 3, 1 cross 2 and 1 cross 1. Out of that, we just wanted a particular thing, that is 3 cross 3. And so for that, it is placed in 1 cross 1. So first number, so I'm putting 1. So after putting it here 1, I have to enter this 1 3 1 here. So it is 1 3 1 here. So for 1, 1 equals to, then it is 3 equals to, 1 equals to. So we have entered the first row, that is 1 3 1. Okay, and we are entering here matrix A. Then second is 2 equals to, 7 equals to, 3 equals to. So 2 7 3 matrix, the numbers are also included in this. Then it is 4 9 and 8. So 4 equals to, 9 equals to, 8. So we have stored equals to after that. So we have got this as a matrix A, wherein we have stored the matrix 1 3 1, 2 7 3, 4 9 and 8. Suppose I have some negative number, that can also be done the way minus 4 equals to. Say for here minus 3, so it's minus 3 equals to. So you can include here the negative numbers as well. Now that means what, we have stored the capital A or the matrix A with this particular matrix first. Now I wanted to include one more matrix. So I'm putting it AC. So now my matrix A, mat A contains this particular matrix. Again I have to enter the matrix. So what will I do? Again there are two ways actually. Either I can go and go for the matrix B. Then suppose for example I'm going in shift, then I'm going here. So if you'll observe here, a small this is there. So above 4 there is a written matrix. So shift and this matrix color code, if you'll observe, color code is same. So I'm pressing 4. After pressing 4, it will be giving me dimensions, data, mat A, mat B, mat C, mat answer, determinant. So this is for the determinant and this is TRN for the transpose. Let us explore one thing. So I have already done one matrix A. Now let me just put the other matrix. Suppose this is 1 equals 2. So now it is giving me other way around, or otherwise let me just do the other operations on this mat A. What operation I can do it? Entering the matrix is done. Now algebra of matrices, I need the addition, subtraction and multiplication, right? Now out of that, the powers of matrix is also there, right? And inverse of a matrix and transpose of a matrix. So we'll be covering all those these operations over here. So now let me just explore. So mat A, mat B, mat C. As I have told you, I can do it for A, matrix B and matrix C. Then this mat answer is nothing but you will be getting, okay, just let us explore one thing. So it's 1. Now 1 it is again asking me, as I have told you, we have stored mat A as 1, this first matrix. Let us store this matrix, mat B is this matrix. So I have to say 2. After that, again it is asking me the same thing, that is the first, because it's a 3 cross 3. So 1 equals to, 2 equals to, 5 equals to. So 1 2 5 first row, then 3 equals to 9 equals to 8 equals to. After that it is 7 equals to 6 equals to 4 equals to. So that means what? Now this mat B is been filled with this particular matrix. Now let us go and explore with the different operations. If I wanted to go and so entering the matrix, or you can say the you can say feeding the matrix has been done. Now second thing is algebra of matrices, under that addition. Okay, now I have to call mat A, I have to call mat B. So for calling shift 4, it is asking me which matrix you want. I want mat A. So 3, I have got mat A, but I need the addition with mat A and mat B, A plus B. So plus, I need now mat B. So mat B needs to call shift 4. This mat B is there in the 4th number. So 4. I have got mat A plus mat B equals to. Now I have got this element. So if you wanted to just check the elements, there are 2, 5, 6. Let us see 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 5, 6. So this will give you the addition of these two matrices. Now suppose I need a subtraction. What I have to do, let me just repeat it again. So now SE, I have done the addition. Shift 4, I need mat A 3 minus shift 4, sorry, it's del, I need to go it, shift 4, I need to go for 4 because it's mat B equals to. Now it is giving me the subtraction of these two matrices, right? Let me do the multiplication here, AC. Then it is shifting 4 because I wanted to call them at A. So 3 multiplication or multiplied by shift 4. Mat B is for 4. So 4 equals to. So this is nothing but a multiplication of this particular matrix. So this is the multiplication of these two. So what multiplication we are doing it? First row into first column, second row into second column. So that means what, accordingly we are going ahead and doing the multiplication of the two matrices. So calculator will be giving you the usual multiplication just in few fraction of seconds, right? So this multiplication has been done. I do not have any mat C with me. Otherwise it's possible to go for three different matrices multiplication also in one go. That you can explore here. I am just here to make you understand and make you introduce with this mat mode. Then I need to go for the powers of matrix. What is the power? I need round bracket shift 4. Suppose I am doing the 3, that is mat A, round bracket complete. I need the square of that, which is equals to. So this matrix will give me the square of a matrix. Similarly, if I wanted to go and go ahead with the next operation, let me just introduce you. Now I have got this as the A square, right? I have got this as A square. So I'm using this A square to calculate A cube. So shift 4, I want this math answer, that is the A square, it's already, right? So its math answer will take you the previous matrix multiplication, that is A square. Now I want again A. So shift 4, I want this 3. That means what exactly I'm doing it? I'm doing it here the matrix A cube. I'm doing A cube of the matrix. So A into A into A, that is A cube. 3 times multiplication of this matrix A has been done. And we have used there the operation of, or you can say shift 4 and mat answer. That means what, we have used the previous. Now in the math answer, immediately what we have done A cube. If I wanted to go for A to the power 4, I can go ahead with A to the power 4 again by doing the same thing what I have done it. Okay, in the previous case, the same thing into A and into A. So that means you can go for the power of a matrix. Now for the inverse of a matrix, let me do it here. So shift 4, I want matrix A. I want mat A, that is 3. I want the inverse of that. So if you'll observe this x inverse, right? This is x inverse. So if I'll just put it here, it will give me the mat A inverse. So this is a mat A inverse. Now what is this number? This is number. So this 14.1428. This is the number, is, you can say it's nothing but 29 by 7. 29 by 7. Let me just go ahead with the next number. So it is minus 2.142, which is nothing but minus 15 divided by 7. Then the next number, if you'll observe, so that means what? You are going to get the inverse in both the way, in the A by B format as well as in the decimal format. So both the ways you will be getting it. So this is 0.2857, which is nothing but 2 divided by 7. So this is what is the operation known as the powers inverse of a matrix. Sorry, it's an inverse of a matrix. So we can find out inverse of a matrix in fraction of seconds here again. So this is done with the A inverse. Now transpose of a matrix. So what I have to do, I have to take the transpose of what matrix? So let us go ahead. Shift, right? Shift 4. Okay, before that, let me just find out this determinant, right? Determinant as the one option is there. So determinant, I have not written it here, but determinant we can find it out by this. So I want 7. Determinant of what matrix? Which matrix you want? So I need the determinant of shift 4. I need, say, for determinant of this mat B, that is 4. Round bracket complete, equals to. What is the determinant of mat B? Is minus 149. Let us explore the determinant of, this is determinant of whatever the matrix we have feed in A, that is 3, right? Round bracket complete, equals to. It is 7. So determinant of this particular matrix A is 7. Determinant of this particular matrix is 149, I guess, right? So this is what is been given, 149 or minus 149, I forgot actually. Okay, so just go back a little bit and just you cross check it. So this is done. Now what is to be explored here? Sorry, shift 4, TRN. It's known as the transpose of a given matrix. Let us explore that. So 8 number, it's TRN of what? TRN of 4. I want the transpose of the mat A. So 3 equals to, what is it? See, if you'll observe, 131 is actually a row here, wherein this 131 becomes a column. Similarly, 273 is a row, but it becomes 273 as a column. 498 is a row, 498 becomes here the column. This is what is the beauty of this calculator. In fact, almost all the scientific calculator will be giving you the mat mode. So this is what? So shift 4, you can have the transpose, you can have the dimensions. Like for example, first while entering in the matrix mode, we have entered the mat A. In that case, now after entering in this shift 4 mode, I have entered through this dimension mat B, right? Okay, so this is what. Okay, let us explore the second option as well, because we have explored the dimension, mat A, mat B. If you have the third matrix, you can do that also. So 1, 2, 3 matrix, you can do it at a time. And as I have told you, math answer, you can take the help of the math answer, and you can take the A square, A cube, A to the power 4, A to the power 5, and so on. You can do it here. And then determinant and transpose also we have done. So now let us explore what is this 2 as. Okay, now matrix data, mat A, mat B, mat C. Now let us see what is there in 1. Oh, this is the matrix given to me, or I have feed this matrix here, but this particular mode is giving me the chance, or giving me this particular chance to update my value. Suppose for example, instead of this 1, I wanted to write down here as minus of 1. I can update my values here. I can update the matrix. Say for there is a very small change in 2 matrices. Already I have feed it. this particular operation or particular mode is giving you the flexibility to re-enter or edit your data of the matrix, and that is the reason it's so. Suppose I'm saying it's -3, okay, is equals to, and this is now done. So my mat A has been changed. Now shift 4, I wanted to see that what is happening with this mat A. It's 3 equals to, see, we have done this changes -1 and -3. It has got updated. That means my mat A is not present. Whatever the mat A I have done it here, that is not present. It has been you can rewritten as -1 -3. So it has been replaced by the next whatever the data or whatever the changes I have done it in this matrix, right? Now this is one more thing. This is SD is the one option which is giving me the 89 divided by, it's something other than the matrix mode. I'm saying it's 56, which is equals to 1 point. So SD will give me here 89 by 56, and SD will give me the fractions also. So this both the things is possible for me. Why? Because if I'm having the answer coming out to be in something like this, and I wanted to answer see that answer particularly by in P by Q format, I could do that using this SD, right? SD. Accordingly, you can just switch it to this particular thing. Okay, I hope you have understood the matrix mode of the calculator. I have tried to do something new over here. If at all you just like it, or you just wanted me to go ahead with, yeah, definitely I'll be exploring the other modes as well. Yeah. Chalo, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Happy learning.